space enthusiasts! Welcome back to Discover with Momina, where we explore the wonders of the universe. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered why stars seem to twinkle? Today, we'll uncover the science behind this sparkling phenomenon. Twinkling is caused by the bending of starlight, a phenomenon known as refraction. But before we dive deeper, let's first understand what refraction is. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another, with a different density, causing a change in its speed. A common example is when a straw appears bent in a glass of water due to light transitioning from air to water. This bending effect is responsible for various optical phenomena we observe daily. As starlight travels through space, it remains steady and unchanging. However, upon entering Earth's atmosphere, it encounters various layers of air with differing temperatures and densities. These atmospheric layers are in constant motion, causing the light from stars to bend or refract multiple times before reaching our eyes. This continuous bending, known as atmospheric refraction, makes the stars appear as though they're flickering or twinkling. You might have noticed that planets shine with a steadier light compared to stars. This is because planets are much closer to Earth and, through a telescope, appear as small disks rather than point sources of light. The light from different parts of these disks averages out the atmospheric disturbances, resulting in a more stable appearance. In contrast, stars are so distant that they appear as single points of light, making them more susceptible to the twinkling effect caused by atmospheric turbulence. In the vacuum of space, where there's no atmosphere, stars don't twinkle. This is why telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope can capture sharp and clear images of celestial objects without the interference of Earth's atmospheric effects. The twinkling of stars is a beautiful reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet's atmosphere. Next time you look up at the night sky, you'll know that the shimmering stars are a result of the complex interplay between starlight and the ever-changing layers of air above us. If you enjoyed this explanation, please like, share, and subscribe to Discover with Momina for more insights into the mysteries of the cosmos. Let me know in the comments what other celestial phenomena you'd like to learn about. Until next time, keep looking up.